Hello, this is 11th of June 2025, London, 12:30 p.m., and I'm looking to buy gold. I'm going to enter with two lots here. Reason is simple. We have 1 hour time frame, which is sitting on VATA Envisage curve, which acts as support and resistance, which means the market can go up. This channel is showing the market wants to go up, and on 5 minutes time frame, we had a signal. So I just waited for 30 minutes time frame because I could see that market was not able to break out. Then I saw this candle, which is a bullish engulfing candle. So after that, I'm entering now, and my target on 5 minutes time frame is going to be here. Now, the only risk here is this gap here. Okay, so the market can come down and collect our stop loss. So what do we do for stop loss? Stop loss needs to go beyond this resistance below this support on 3 minutes time frame. And what we have is intermediate target here on 3 minutes, which is approximately here. So my idea is that as soon as the market touches this, I'm going to close half of the position and leave the rest at break even, or like I will trail my stop loss. So we are already in profit here, and it has just taken few seconds. I'm gonna get ready with my half lot to be closed as soon as the market touches this. Right, so let's see how it plays out. Gonna check other time frames such as 2 minutes time frame. On 2 minutes time frame, we have these targets available, which are very similar to what we have on 5 minute. And on 3 minutes time frame, we have about a curve here, which can act as support and resistance, and also we have white dot target, which means that this is good intermediate target. M4, I do not look at that, but M4 has VATA curve approximately same place. So we are looking good at the moment. Let's see how it plays out. Actually, I should have checked 1 minute time frame. 1 minute is too messy, so that's why I do not like to use 1 minute. I'm gonna keep it on M3 and M5 for now, and possibly at M2. These are the best time frames for scalping. Getting very close to it. So what a curve has been touched. I'm gonna not being greedy. I have taken $150 off the table, and I'm gonna move my stop loss to just below this. Now for that, I can go to 2 minutes time frame and see where the stop loss should be. So this was where the market looked at the gap. So I'm gonna put it right here. Now, what is going to happen is that if the market comes back down, collects my stop loss, I will not lose anything in this deal because I've already collected $150 or so. So if it comes down and gives us a little bit of loss, we will, on the net, we will still be either in minor profit or minor loss. We won't have huge losses here. And that's the whole idea. We could have actually taken a trade around here because the signal appeared here. This is blue bullish signal. This is also blue, and there was a signal here, and this is supposed to reach here. It's very easy. All we did was like went to the higher time frame, found a reason to enter, went to the smaller time frame, and we waited for the right signal and entered. It can't be easier than that. It's so easy. Now, 3 minute has reached the VATA curve. I can expect a market to move down a little bit because it acts as support and resistance. Now, if it continues to go higher, obviously we're going to hit our target, but there can be movement to the downside. The market is bearish on 3 minutes time frame, bearish on 5 minutes time frame, but bullish on 1 hour time frame. And the higher time frames are the ones which dictate the market. So because the market can come down, I'm not moving my stop loss to break even as of now, because moving our stop loss to break even on premature basis is one of the biggest reasons why you will be taken out of the game and you won't make any money with it. So I will only move the stop loss once I see that the market has created a new impulse, or it has gone to a safer distance. So if I look at 5 minutes time frame, the candle has closed. This is looking like a very good candle, but it can come down to test water wave and then go up. However, this target is looking very close. So let's see if it actually does hit our target directly, or if it comes down and then goes back up. We are $260 up in this partial one. We have already collected $150 on the first partial. Okay, so we are it's kind of like a risk-free situation at the moment, because if it stops us out, we'll still have $150 profit to cover up for the loss. That's why partial profit taking is very, very important. Okay, let's monitor it on 3 minutes time frame, because this is where it can fall. Okay, it's going very close to our profit target. So now I'm going to move my stop loss to break even, because it's nearly there. And I won't hesitate in closing it slightly early if it comes very close to it, because sometimes what happens is that market actually increases the spread, and because of the spread, the market touches the target, but it doesn't show up on the chart. So if it comes very close to it and it doesn't close automatically, then I will close it myself. We are $300 in profit. 150 was already collected before, and it has taken 15 minutes so far to do all of this easily. By the way, we entered with two lots, closed one lot, and now this is the second part of that. This is one lot. Okay, what I'm going to do is actually move my stop loss to this. In fact, I should be using 3 minutes time frame. Now, I'm still worried that, I'm still concerned that it can come down. Why? Because the water curve is supposed to act as support and resistance. So far, it has not created any bearish candle. So that's why it can still come down. And if I see something like that, I'll be happy with this, and I'm gonna close this position manually. It can come down. Let's monitor it on 1 minute time frame, because this is where I'm gonna get early signal whether it wants to come down or not. If I see a red or a start to appear here or red here, I'm going to close this position prematurely, and I'm going to walk away with my profit. You take what market is about to give you. You do not force yourself onto the markets, because markets do not know anything about you, do not care about you. You should care about the market. Okay. As I said, there was an red arrow, and so that's why I've closed this position, and we have banked near about $400 or a bit more than that on this trade. Very easy. Took us only what? Let me show you the trade history. From here, we entered here, and from here to here. So it took almost less than 15 minutes to do this. I'm pretty sure it's going to reach there, but I'm happy with this. This is very good, easy scalp that we have been able to collect $400 from in less than 15 minutes. Right? I'll see you in the next one. Have a great time. Trade the markets easy way.